Hi everybody, it's Jeff and Nikki from Nightshade Nook Decor. So we are getting ready to pour some new custom ordered coasters for the New York Yankees team. Well, I made it sound like we were doing it for the New York Yankees.
It was a little sketchy.
That was a little sketchy. We're ready to pour a custom order for some New York Yankee coasters. How's that?
For a New York Yankees fan.
That's more appropriate.
Yeah.
So we are using our wisebond deep pour epoxy, and we are using our Meyspring color, which is a new color.
Opulent tanzanite.
Opulent tanzanite. That's from their geode collection. I can't wait to see what this color looks like.
I know. Because
we ordered this specifically for this color.
Because they don't make navy blue, so.
I know, right? I don't know what's up with that.
Ooh, it's a little purpley.
It is a little purpley. Oh, but it's got, that's interesting. It's got some really cool blue highlights in it. It's really kind of hard to tell the color because your shirt is reflecting so hard in that epoxy.
Yeah. I think maybe we should add a little black to it and try to get it darker.
I think you can. I thought we were going to use the Imperial.
Yeah, it is called Emerald. I have a feeling that's going to turn
have some green.
Yes.
I don't know. You think you want some black?
Yeah,
the black's right here.
Let me put a little charcoal black in there and we'll see what happens. Because navy blue and black are very close.
I have nothing. I have no response for that. Is that the charcoal black?
Yeah, my spring charcoal black.
It's cool though. It's got like a little crystal-y galaxy look to it. So I'm not sure what your black's going to do. And that's, your version of a little and mine are so different. You got a bunch of black. I think what you're going to end up with is like a midnight blue.
Then that would be fine too, as long as we're more on the blue spectrum.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it poured in the form.
Yeah,
then we'll see what color it really is.
It'll definitely look a little different in the form.
Yeah, these buckets always lie to us.
Right.
All right. Well, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like we need to get you more of those coaster forms because you're becoming like the coaster king. This isn't even the full order. Okay, so we already have the slabs in here. Did you say these were maple or oak? They look mapley. And we have our forms already in our HDPE Exotherm Custom Design Reusable No Seal coaster forms. What are you doing here?
Trying to get in the middle.
It's really dark.
Darker the better.
It's kind of challenging to see exactly what color it is on my phone because, you know, it's daylight and the door's open. So we're getting it looks very navy-ish. I don't know, I like the color. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
It's like midnight sky.
And again, nobody makes a navy blue pigment, so we have to get as close as we can. And
there's so many pigments that nobody makes.
I know, right?
That's why we're always mixing and matching and adding our own colors to the pigments we have.
Okay, so I have a little left over. I need to wait for the
for it all settle and go around behind the boards.
Yep, this one I need to shim up a little, looks like.
Alright.
My shim's over here.
Are you going to pop the air bubbles out of that so we can get a better look at the color?
Sure. Of course I will.
And it's so weird too, because even whatever color we're looking at now is not the color it's going to be once it comes out of the form at all. You don't know your true color until you are done and adding the seal coat.
That's true.
Which I know we did those Kansas City Chief ones the other day with that wine red, and we were worried about the color on that. So I was going over the video of those wine red coasters, and that's pretty close to the Chief colors. I mean, it's a nice dark color. I like that it has like those little like crystal specks in it.
Yeah, it almost looks black, which I think we're there. I think it's where we want to be. Because, you know, it's such a dark blue that it's almost black, you know what I mean?
Right.
I need to add more epoxy over here.
I like how it looks when you pour it in.
Yeah, you get a little more blue tone in it, huh?
Right. Well, I'm happy. We'll see in about a week or so how this color turned out, but I think it's going to be pretty dead on for what we're doing.
I think we'll have to pour some more, but we'll have to wait until it gets behind. It still has a long way to go.
Yeah. All right. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and share our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. We do respond to all of our questions. And you guys have a great day.